Hello friends, today we will have a tutorial for how to set up MetaTrader 4 Trade. So for this you need to have a Trade setup. Currently it is MetaTrader 4, so it is a Trade 4 setup. Just you need to double click it. You have to run this setup. I am clicking on yes. Then you will see a screen for setup. Click on next. Then the installation will start. Once the installation gets finished, there will be a shortcut for Trade MT4 terminal, and now you have to click on finish. So now to start an MT4 you need to have what you need to have is just I'll add it. You need to have the MT MetaTrader Trader 4 login ID and password. So currently I already have the login ID and password for this MetaTrader 4. If you need an ID for MetaTrader 4, you can contact us on robot@future.com. Just I will show you the website, our website. So you can contact us on these mentioned two numbers, or you can also post your queries on robot@future.com. Here also you can post the queries. You can log into this website and you can search about our services. So now we will open the MetaTrader 4. Just we have to wait. It's taking some time. Okay, now it's open. You have to just click on Trade demo and do next. Here it will ask for login ID and password. Uh, you have to just enter your login ID. My login ID is 555539 and password I will type it and then I will just finish it. Since our server detail has changed, so I will again log in to trade account and I have to mention my server details here. You need to remember this server details. Just I will copy this server details here. Once it's connected, here you will find the connection status. Once you will see some downloading KBs in the connection status, then you can see that your MT4 is working. Now, here there are some forex currencies are loaded. You need to trade on NSE and MCX. So you can just click on hide all, doing right click. Now I will guide with the further process. Here, when you will purchase an MT4, here you will get all the standard indicators. Here we will get the trend indicators, oscillators, volume indicators, Bill Williams, and many more. These all are the standard indicators. Now, on robotic future, we have a lot of customized dedicated indicators. So to upload that indicators, we need ex4 file for that indicators. So I have already uh, this ex4 file for the indicators. What I will do, I will copy these indicators and I will paste on, I will go to file, I will go to open data folder. Okay, once open data folder, I will go to MQL4, I will go to indicators and I will paste that ex4 file. There are a lot of other files. To get it more structured, what I will do is I will paste this on a new folder. I will create a folder Robotech Future, and then on double clicking it, I will open that and then I will paste this. The benefit of this, once I will paste it, I will do it refresh. The benefit of creating a new folder is, now here you are getting a new folder name Robotech Future. Once you expand this, you will get all the indicators here. Okay. So this adding the indicator process is over. Now you want to add some symbols. So to add the symbols, you can just double click and add. Suppose you want to add crude oil. So crude oil symbol is MCRO. This I am remember since I am an experienced trader. If you don't remember, you can go right click, go to symbols, go to MCX and go to crude oil MCRO. This is continuous, this is next month chart. So click on continuous one. So MCRO, you can just double click it, it will get highlighted and then you can close it. So it will add it. Another idea to add from here is, you can just double click it, you will find the cursor. Then like you want to add gold, so you can just add MGLD, just delete the hash and just enter. If you want to add silver, MSIL, enter. You want to add bank nifty, just type bank nifty. You need to remember the nomenclature on the MT4. Since I am experienced MT4 trader, I know each and every symbol's nomenclature. So I will add. Now I will just show you some examples of adding the indicators. So just I will add crude oil. I will right click on chart window. Now this chart will come. Just you can click on 15 minutes. If you want to add this sparkish indicator, you can just click, drag this. You can change any inputs like show profit loss. You can do it true. You can add the show period separator from here. It will show you the trades, how the trade is going, like for each. The show period separator tells you this is the starting of the 20th February and this is the ending of the 20th February. So this dotted line to this dotted line is the 1 day trade. Likewise, this dotted line to this dotted line is a 1 day trade. Just I will give you some example of adding some other indicators, like if you want to add an indicator on gold, Right click on MGLD gold, put it on 15 minutes or 5 minutes as per your wish. Just you can add this Hakanashi solid trend. Yeah, then you can do it. I will add some other indicators because some linked indicator is not been copied. So I will remove it. So you can also see how to remove the indicators. You can go to right click indicator list, select it and delete it. So you can also delete it from here. Just I will add the normal super trend on this, like this. You can remove the grid from Control G, or you can right click and this you can right click and remove the grid from here. If you want to add the period separator, you can add, go to common, so period separator. So this is how the indicators can be added and see how long the trade the gold has taken. I will post a short video with each and every indicators duly explained along with the back testing. So the purpose of this video was only to explain how to set up an MT4 and how to add the indicators, how to set up an indicators and how to see the indicators. For others, you can follow YouTube on several MT4 tutorials are already there. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.